Hello and welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video we're going to discuss how to add presenters to your webinar in Webinarloop. From the webinar's dashboard, first we will go to Webinar Setup. And then in the sidebar we will click on the tab that says Presenters. Webinarloop supports several presenters per webinar if you choose. To add a presenter to your webinar, simply add their email here, and then click Add Presenter. Webinarloop automatically sends out an email invitation, and the presenter is added to the table below. Here you can see the email, the invite date, and their status, currently waiting. If you don't hear back from them, you can resend the invite by clicking this button here. When the presenter checks their email, they'll receive this message. Hello, you've been invited to Webinarloop as a presenter on the webinar First Webinar by Tutorials. Please join Webinarloop to claim your presenter rights. Here's the link to join. Thanks. Then when the presenter clicks on the link, they'll be brought to Webinarloops and informed that they've accepted the invite to be made a presenter, and then they can log into Webinarloops under their own account and go to the dashboard. On our account, we can refresh the page here. And we will see that the invited presenter has now been moved to the added presenters table here. In addition, we can scroll to the top of the page here and click on the pending button, and we'll see that our presenters requirement has now been resolved. So this is now a confirmed presenter. If we want to add more presenters to this webinar, we can just do so by emailing each presenter individually. From your own account, it's easy to check to see which webinars you're a presenter on. Just go to your account here in the top, click on Profile, and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see here their list of webinars in which you are a presenter. And here right now we've been added as a presenter to First Webinar. And that's how easy it is to manage your presenters in Webinarloop. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks very much for watching.